What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, the channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Bo Ski, and on this channel, we talk about projects that give people like you and me the opportunity to generate some passive income. And I'm back with another project that's doing exactly that. I want to say this real quick because I know a lot of people come and ask me, how do you find out about projects so early on in the game? Well, I'm going to tell you this. It'd be Discord and a couple launchpad websites that I use, but people hit me up all the time about new projects and I go check them out. And to be honest, in the last 4 months, it's been like a gang of new projects coming out. And it's hard to differentiate which ones is good, which ones is bad. So I just look at all of them and I thought I'd come and share a few of them that I picked out myself. Not saying that these ones going to be good, but I just want to give you the opportunity so you can dig into them and do your research and see if they're worthy of you investing your hard-earned dollars into after you do your own research. So today's video is going to be about one of those projects called Countryside.Finance. And now this project right here was brought to my attention. It kind of has the same tokenomics of UNIV. If you know what UNIV is, if you don't, go check out my previous video. You'll find out everything about UNIV. Pretty much got the same tokenomics and the same compounded tiers. So it kind of was interesting to me. But they're very, very new. And we're going to dig into it as much as we can. So without further ado, between me and you, let's get started. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, do your man a favor. Hit that like, subscribe button. That way you get notified when I drop new content like this. And then just let me know that you want to see more content about new projects coming to the crypto market and to help the channel grow. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into this new project. So jump straight to it. This is their website, Countryside.Finance. Now we're going to look, like I said, they very, very new. You come to their Twitter, they only have 410 Twitter followers. I know I like to see that number up to like the tens of thousands, but like I said, it's only been out for like 5 days, so I can only expect what they got right now so far. Hopefully before they launch, the numbers be good, and that'll give me the button to go ahead and go forward with this project if I see a lot of people excited about the project. But looking at their Twitter, Twitter account, their Discord account, everything looks pretty nice. You can go to the official links. They still got whitelist spots open. They actually got 100 whitelist spots available, and they have divvied those up into certain categories on how they give them out. Now you can click the official links and you can actually see like the website, the D-app, the Twitter page and all this. This is how you navigate to their sites. Now coming to the website again, hopping back on here. If you try to enter the app, it won't work. So, it's still new. But Countryside is a high reward protocol on the Avalanche network. And how you earn your money is you buy a wheat and you create a unique NFT. That NFT represents your node. So you can get it from them or you can go to tofunft.com and you stake your node, and every 4 hours you'll be able to claim or compound your rewards up to 4% daily. Now, hopefully they don't make the mistake that a lot of projects make when they let their NFTs be tradable on secondary markets the exact same day to launch. You've seen that happen with UNIV. You've seen that happen with a couple more places like Elixir. And it actually kills the project if you ask me. I'm just hoping that they don't do it, because if people are buying from a secondary market, they don't have no need to go to the actual source to buy, and which takes away from the project because people are buying them in AVAX. And those people are holding the AVAX. Now, they were buying in a native token, that'd be something different, but they're buying in AVAX and they're not giving back to the protocol and to the ecosystem if they're doing that. So hopefully they don't make that mistake, but it's early in the game. We're going to see what happens. Now, they also have this unique thing where you can spread the word and you can earn a referral up to 5%. Whatever the person you referred is earning, you get 5% of that earning, which is kind of nice. Hopefully it works out that way, but if it does, it's going to draw a lot of people to the project to earn by just referring people and get a piece of their pie when they're earning. Now, they have 6 reward tiers. It's like I said, exactly the same thing as UNIV. Now, first one is tier 1, which you get 0.85% daily, and it only takes 1 compound to get to that level. The second one is tier 2, where you earn a 1% daily interest, and it takes 5 compounds to get to that level. And the third tier is earn 1.3%, and it takes 10 compounds to get to that level. Tier 4 is 2% daily, and it takes 100 compounds to get to that level. Tier 5 is 2.9% daily, and it takes 200 compounds to get to that level. And the last level is tier 6, which gives 4% daily, but it takes 1,000 compounds to get to that level. Now note, you can only compound once every 4 hours. So based on the numbers they're giving you right here, you're getting 6 compounds a day. So to get to that top tier, so you're looking at about 6 months, give or take, just to get to that top tier of 4% daily. Now, if you come to the top, you can click the documentation, take you straight to the white paper. Welcome to Countryside Finance, and this gives you all the information. It's not complete, but we're going to read it over. Countryside Finance is an innovative node protocol powered by the Avalanche network. Earn up to 4% daily by holding your unique NFTs. Protocol is fully decentralized, including public on-chain data storage to avoid trust issues. Now, Countryside.Finance is the first protocol to include a referral system. We talked about a referral system, how you refer people and you get paid a certain percentage, which I think is a dope concept. So what is Countryside.Finance? Countryside.Finance is an innovative and high reward node protocol powered by Avalanche blockchain based on UNIV. So they actually did take UNIV's concept and they constructed their own project with it. Our objective is to add mechanics to make the protocol more sustainable. Now they do go over the information that the information on this website is not investment advice and so forth and so forth, which at the current time I would like to say again because some people get it confused. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that's sharing information with you. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. That way you can make better and sound decisions. Now going over tokenomics, the initial supply is 1 million. That's a pretty decent number. Same as strong right now. The team allocation is 50,000 a week. The pre-sale is going to be 50,000 a week at the price of 50 cents USD per token, which is a good entry point if you get on that whitelist. They got 100 spots. The liquidity is 27,000. Now going to the roadmap, they don't have a roadmap linked. They have the official links that I showed you on Discord. But you go into the compound tiers, you can see the compound tiers show tier 1, 2, all the way to 6, and go over the same numbers that we went through on the front page of their website. If you claim your rewards, you will go back to tier 1, but we'll always keep your locked amount. Now they talk about the pre-sale. To ensure project growth, we are going to raise 25,000 during our early pre-sale. You have to be on a whitelist to participate. It's only going to be a million supply like we already talked about. And 50,000 of it, the pre-sale is going to be at 50 cents per token. So if you're early to this project, getting in at 50 cents per token is not a bad price to be getting in the token. That means your risk level is pretty low at 50 cents depending on how much you put in. Now, what is the minimum to invest in the pre-sale? It's only $25. And they said that the pre-sale wallet will have a multi-sig on there. And if you don't know what multi-sig means, that means there's just different. It's not one person controlling it. It's different people that have to get approved in order for a transaction to get approved out of a certain wallet. You know what I mean? Now the referral system, we've implemented an on-chain referral program to incentivize users to invite friends to join the farming. Inviters get automatically 5% of their referrals earnings. So I'm guessing you're getting 5% of their earnings. So whatever they're earning, you're getting 5% of that. So if they're getting a 1% daily, you're getting 5% of that right there, which is actually dope. You know, it's not a lot, but every little bit helps. If you refer a lot of people, then you might be bringing in some serious dough. You know what I mean? So that's it, family. That's the project, Countryside.Finance. I think they're going to be pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? Especially they got the same compounded tier. I would expect they're going to drop that every 4 hour compounded down. That's just my opinion of what my expectations is, because most of the time everybody drops their compounded down. They'll start off at 4 hours. You've seen LVT do it. You've seen UNIV do it. And then all of a sudden it goes to 1 time a day. So, but besides that, I think their tokenomics is pretty good. I think their level of entry is going to be pretty good. So I'm excited about it. But you can leave me a comment on the bottom and tell me what you think. Before you leave a comment, hit that like, subscribe button. That way you can help the channel grow. And that way you let me know that you appreciate hearing about new projects and seeing more content like this. And with that being said, Hustling Crypto family, it's been a good video. I want to see y'all in the next one. But remember, stay safe, do your own research, and always be hustling crypto. I'll see y'all next one. Peace.